Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's start our study. Take out your EVS worksheet. Everyone, take out your EVS worksheet. Everyone, be ready with EVS worksheet, pencil and eraser.
બધી વસ્તુમાં પીનું મારી જવું ભલે આ દિવસ છે.
Shall we start? Everyone, shall we start? Okay. So, everyone open question number 5 on page number 3. Question number 5 on page number 3. Question number 5, write down here CW. Today's date is 21 January 2022. So 21 January is first month 2022. Write down this. And today's day is here Friday. Write down day Friday.
જામ તો બધું રાય તૈયાર કરી નાખજે. તું બ્રશ કરતો હશે.
શું છે?
એ વર્કશીટ હું કાઢી દે. તું બ્રશ કરી લે ને. નાસ્તો કરતા દે.
Write down Friday, CW and today's date. Now, question number 1. Question number 1. Why do we need water? Why do we need water? So, our answer would be we need water for cooking, washing, and bathing. Okay? So write down this answer. We need water for cooking, washing and bathing. Okay, done everyone? Okay. So we need water for cooking. Okay, Priva, take your time. We need water for cooking, washing and bathing. And everyone, our timing is 7:50. 7:50 a.m. Okay, so please join up to 7:55. 5 minutes late होता है तो चलता है बेटा. Please join on time. Those who are joined now, please open page number 3 in worksheet. Question number 5. Write down CW, date and day. Everyone, write down CW, date and day. Then question number 1. Why do we need water? Answer is we need water for cooking, washing and bathing. Now question number 2. Where can water be stored? By building a wall. Where can water be stored? By building a wall. उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? कौन बोलेगा मुझे? Yes, very good, Daksh. Water can be stored in them by building a wall across a river. So write down here. Sorry, this is and what? Water can be stored in dams by building a wall across a river. Write down this answer. Water can be stored in them by building a wall across a river. Water can be stored in them by building a wall across a river. Full stop. Vidya, page number 3 in our worksheet. Page number 3 in our worksheet. Done, everyone? Now turn the page. Question number 3. Should we waste water? Yes or no? Should we waste water? Vidya, be fast. Okay, write down. Yes, very good, Daksh. We should not waste water. Okay, now let's write answer number 3. Should we waste water? No, comma, we should not waste water. First write down this answer number 3, then I will give you answer number 2. Okay? And be fast and be with everyone. Anjan Bimani, see, is there any question number 4? Question number 4 है वहाँ पर बेटा? Answer number 3 done, everyone. Answer number 3 done, everyone. Answer number 3. जैनिल, आंसर नंबर 3 अभी नहीं दिख रहा है आपको? This is answer number 2. I have typed in chat box. Everyone, answer number 2. I have typed in chat box and answer number 3. Answer number 2 and 3 I have typed in chat box, everyone. Now a long answer questions. Long answer questions. First one, why should we drink clean water? Why should we drink? विद्या अब मैं उसका फोटो सेंड कर दूंगी बेटा, आप जल्दी आप टाइम पे ज्वाइन हो जाओ बेटा, सबका फिनिश हो गया है. इन बिटवीन में आप लोगों को फर्स्ट सेकंड पीछे का आंसर नहीं बता सकती अब. So please be on time, everyone. Question number 1, why should we drink clean water? And आपको लगता नहीं, आपको यही रख रहा है कि हम स्कूल में ही बैठे हैं. स्कूल में जैसे आप टाइम पे आ जाते थे ऐसे ही टाइम पे रेडी होके बैठना है बेटा. ओके? Why should we drink clean water? हमें क्लीन वाटर क्यों पीना चाहिए? Because dirty water can make us ill. Dirty water can make us ill. So write down answer. We should drink clean water because drinking dirty water can we should drink clean water because drinking dirty water can make us ill. Write down this answer. Okay, done everyone? We should drink clean water because drinking dirty water can make us ill. Yes, take your time everyone. Now question number 2, give 5 different areas from our daily life where we can use water. So हम water कहाँ कहाँ use करते हैं? तो उसका आंसर आएगा we use water in cooking, washing, and bathing. We use water in cooking, washing, and bathing. We use water in cooking, washing, and bathing. Okay, done everyone? Everyone done? Okay, Diva, take your time. Okay. Now question number 3. Name 3 ways by which we can store water. Name 3 ways by which we can store water. हम water कहाँ कहाँ store कर सकते हैं? Tell me in chat box. हम water कहाँ कहाँ store कर सकते हैं? Yes, very good. Tank, well, dam, very good. Bucket, लेक लेक में स्टोर नहीं होता. एंड यस दो वेल में भी स्टोर नहीं होता है. वेल इज द सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. टैंक, बकेट, डैम, ये क्या है? उसमें हम स्टोर करते हैं. वेल इज द सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. टैंक, बकेट and dam. Our answer would be we can store water in tanks, bucket, pots and dam. यहाँ पर 3 बोला है बट हमने 4 लिखा है ना. गलती से हम 1 भूल जाए तो अभी फिर भी हमें 3 याद रहते हैं ना. देव मकवाणा, प्लीज डोंट टाइप एनी अदर मैसेजेस. Write down this answer. We can store water in tanks, buckets, pots and dams. Now question number 4. Done everyone? Question number 3 done? Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. Name 4 sources of water in nature. Name 4 sources of water in nature. यानी हमें पानी कहाँ कहाँ से मिलता है? 4 sources of water. So first source क्या है? Rain. First source क्या है? Rain. Then after river, lake, pond, well, है ना? So yes. तो हम लिखेंगे sources of water. Rain, river, lake, and well. Write down this answer. Rahi, off your camera. Rahi, Kaila, off your camera. सबके हैंड राइटिंग एकदम मस्त होने चाहिए एंड स्पेलिंग्स में कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके? Done everyone? Okay, so now turn for homework. Today's homework is, आज का homework क्या है? You have to write down short question answer. Question number 1, 2 and 3 in EVS notebook. ये short answer questions हमने write down किए ना? Question number 1, 2 and question number 3 in your EVS notebook. Okay? आज का डेट SW एंड डे मेंशन करना कंपलसरी है. ओके? और हेडिंग लगाओगे शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस. ओके? और वो आपको नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करना है. ओके एवरीवन? अंडरस्टैंड? आर्या, क्या नहीं पता चला बेटा आपको? यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 Write down this answer. We need water for cooking, washing and bathing. We need water for cooking, washing and bathing. Write down question answer number 1. जिसका भी बाकी है please write down. We need water for cooking, washing and bathing. Okay, done. Okay, everyone. So we are ending our session here, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay? And your homework सबको समझ में आ गया? Question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Short answer questions. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everyone. Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.